Hello, viewers and crypto community. Welcome to the world of Delphi, the first ever sea otter themed meme coin built on the powerful Solana blockchain. But Delphi is far more than just another meme. It's a next generation project combining DeFi and AI into a vibrant, utility rich ecosystem. With a pre-sale launching in the fourth week of July 2025, Delphi is already creating waves across the crypto space. Backed by major industry partners and media outlets, the sea otter everyone's been waiting for has finally arrived. So in this video, I am going to break down the different aspects of Delphi. So this video is going to be very informative and the viewers keep it in mind that this video is being made only for the information. It must not be considered as financial investment device. So here is Delphi's identity more than just a meme coin. So dear viewers, Delphi is not here just for fun. It's the first meme coin project to deliver real technology and value, a sustainable ecosystem, a clear vision to go beyond entertainment, a position as Solana's first DeFi plus AI initiative. This is meme culture evolved. Delphi utility breakdown. So, dear viewers, Delphi system redefining DeFi. Its interest is auto-generated, no staking, no lockup. Just hold Delphi in your wallet and earn passively. The more usage across the ecosystem, the more rewards follow back the holders. A completely new DeFi paradigm never seen in the meme coin space. AI system decentralized. Delphi AI lets users create funny otter images, but with every use, Delphi tokens are burned, reducing supply. This deflationary model fights inflation and keeps the ecosystem healthy. The project is designed to become the world's first decentralized AI integrated meme coin. AI generated NFTs. Generated NFTs directly uses Delphi AI, no contacts or coding needed. Delphi coins are automatically burned, and when NFTs are created, this increases the rarity and the value of the remaining supply. A use to burn model that enhances the worth of every interaction. What makes Delphi different? So, dear viewers, first ever sea otter themed meme coin, fresh, unique, and appealing. Breaks away from the usual dogs and cats, embracing the symbolism of intelligence, playfulness and curiosity. Built on Solana, ultra fast and 200x cheaper than Ethereum. Fusion of meme plus DeFi plus AI. Real utility, real tech. World first automatic interest system just for holding. And here you can check the Delphi's global viral rise. So here you can see that Delphi is on Reddit. The Delphi community is exploding on Reddit. Users are organically creating memes, spreading characters love without paid ads. And here you can check Delphi's global viral rise on Reddit. So here you can check growing wave of Delphi content on Telegram community, and I would suggest to all my viewers to join this community. And here you can check that the Delphi coin on Google and see daily feature from crypto news outlets, already outperforming some top meme coins in the early stage visibility. International press is watching closely as Delphi gains momentum. So here you can check the Delphi on Twitter. So I would suggest to all my viewers to follow the official page of Delphi on Twitter to get the real-time updates, insights, and the latest information about the Delphi. So follow this page. So media is also buzzing about the Delphi and international press is also watching closely as Delphi gains momentum, and influencer hype, crypto influencer across the platform are organically mentioning Delphi. Talks underways with a list celebrities 200 million plus followers to boost global reach. Delphi is evolving from a token to a cultural movement. So now we will see it exchange listing momentum on BitGet exchange and Hyperliquid rumors. Delphi is on BitGet exchange ranked top 3 globally in futures trading, publishing positive news around Delphi. Exchange tone suggests serious listing consideration. This is on BitGet Exchange. Delphi coins gains viral momentum ahead of pre-sale as global investors brace for the potential frenzy. The Binance of DEX with 20 billion plus daily, and post from the top Binance executive hint at early. So this is a live bit news. Top exchange watching Delphi coin may be headed for the hyperliquid after wild pre-sale. So here you can get the details about the Delphi on the live Bitcoin news. So community buzz, hyperliquid, centralized exchange, and here is many more details available about the Delphi. So visit live Bitcoin news and get the details. Delphi is on Analytics Insight. Major exchange executives signal strong support for Delphi coin. So here you can get details. The cryptocurrency world is buzzing after a cryptic but unmistakably positive social media post from one of the industry's most influential figures appeared to reference Delphi coin. So here you can check the industry titan break silence, and here you can get the details about the Delphi on Analytics Insight. So dear viewers, here you can check the details about the Delphi, and here you can check how to buy. So its process is very simple. First of all, you will have to create Phantom wallet, and then you will have to own Solana, and then you will have to participate in the pre-sale. You can purchase only a limited amount of Delphi in each pre-sale round. Additionally, you can receive additional Delphi coins by using Delphi Power as a pre-sale limited event. So hurry up and get ready. Coins before all stocks are sold out. And here is the roadmap. So first step is pre-sale, and the second is the exchange listing, third is the Delphi open, and fourth is the AI open. So this is the roadmap, and next is the detail of the Delphi. Here you can get details, and here you can get the important features of the Delphi, and here is the AI details. So I would suggest to all my viewers to be part of this amazing project, and its tokenomics is coming very soon. So Delphi is a very amazing project, and I would suggest to all my viewers to join early to position yourself before potential major exchange listing, and this is going to be very full of opportunities for you. So dear viewers, don't miss the chance. Be part of this amazing project that is Delphi, and get the amazing opportunities as soon as possible. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.